welcome back to the Explainer. You know how it works here. We take dense, complicated stuff and break it down into something you can actually use. And today, we are diving into something super relevant for a lot of you. A job posting. Yup, we are putting the Wells Fargo Analytics Associate role under the microscope. Our goal here is to turn that formal job description into a clear, no-nonsense guide. So, whether you just graduated or you're on the hunt for your next big thing, this one's for you. Okay, let's get into it. Alright, first things first, let's get a bird's eye view of the opportunity. These are the absolute must-know details you'll want to see right away. Okay, let's break down the core facts. The job is an analytics associate at Wells Fargo, and you'll be based in Hyderabad. Now, here's what's really interesting. The experience level is pretty broad, anywhere from 6 months all the way up to 2 years. They're also looking at graduates from 2021 all the way through 2025. That tells me they're casting a really wide net to find the right person, not just someone who checks a specific box. And now for the question on everyone's mind. What's the salary? Well, the expected range is between 3 to 8 lakhs per annum. That's a pretty decent window, and it gives you a solid idea of the compensation before you even think about applying. So, now that we've got the basics down, it all comes down to one question, right? Do you have what they're looking for? Let's dig into the specifics of who would be the perfect fit for this role. So, who is the ideal candidate? In this section, we are going to get into the nitty-gritty of the skills and the background they want so you can see exactly how you measure up. First up, your education. They're looking for someone with a degree in a quantitative field. So think things like applied math, engineering, finance, or computer science, anything where numbers are king. To be super specific, they've called out degrees like BE, B.Tech, ME, M.Tech, and M.Sc. Now for your technical skills. Let's be clear. There are some non-negotiables here. You absolutely need at least 6 months of analytics experience. You've got to be a pro with complex SQL. And you need to know your way around by tools like Power BI or Tableau. So what's going to make you stand out? Any experience in treasury management or commercial banking. That's the secret sauce. Master the core data skills, and that banking knowledge will put you right at the top of the list. But listen, it's not all about the tech stack. Your people skills are just as crucial. They're really looking for someone who can manage relationships with partners and work well with all kinds of different teams. Of course, you need excellent communication skills, both spoken and written, and a sharp analytical mind with a serious eye for detail. This role is as much about collaboration as it is about crunching numbers. Okay, you've got the degree, you've got the skills, you're a perfect match on paper. But what does the day-to-day work actually look like? What are you going to be doing? So let's pull back the curtain and take a peek at your day-to-day. We are going to break down the main responsibilities of this role. Okay, a huge part of your job is going to be analysis and reporting. Essentially, you're a translator. You take a business problem and you turn it into a data-driven solution. That means you'll be building out reports, some standard, some totally custom, and digging into data to come up with recommendations that can actually make a difference. You're the bridge between the data and the big decisions. You're not just going to be sitting in the background either. You'll be right in the thick of it, working on all kinds of projects. We are talking about helping with design, doing research, testing things out, and seeing them through to implementation. Plus, you'll be keeping project logs updated and chiming in during reviews. You're an active, vital part of the team. And finally, you're a problem solver. That means when things go wrong, and they always do, you'll be one of the people troubleshooting those production issues. But it's not just about fixing what's broken. You'll also be proactive, helping to create and improve procedures to make the whole department run smoother, faster, and more accurately. It's about making things better for the long haul. So if you've been listening to all this and thinking, wow, that sounds exactly like me, then you're going to want to pay close attention. Let's walk through the exact steps to get that application submitted. Honestly, the process couldn't be more straightforward. You'll start by clicking the application link. which will take you right to their careers page. From there, you'll either create a new account or just log in if you already have one. Then it's just a matter of filling out the form, uploading your resume and any other documents they ask for. And then, and this is super important, take a minute to double check everything before you hit that submit button. And that's a wrap. The Wells Fargo Analytics Associate role, totally deconstructed. We've gone through the whole thing, what the opportunity is, who they're looking for, what you'll be doing every day, and even how to apply. We've laid out all the pieces for you, so I guess the only question left to answer is this your next career move?